Welcome to this module. Here we will be considering the cell material. In our last module, we talked about how the solar panels are rated. That the solar panels are rated in watts. We have different wattage when we are talking about the solar panel. We know that the cell material is what gives us an impression or the basic characteristics of any solar panel, and it is an established fact that the most used cell material during solar panel manufacturing is the crystalline silicon, the sand that we have in our environment, the second most abundant element in the world. And during the manufacturing process, the cell material may be made up of single crystal. And when the cell material is made up of a single crystal, we have the monocrystalline solar panel. You can see this is the monocrystalline solar panel. We will take a look at the characteristics of the monocrystalline solar panels. We have another solar panel in which the crystal structure is made up of multi-crystals. And when the crystal structure is made up of multi-crystal, we have the polycrystalline solar panel. This is the polycrystalline solar panel. We will look at the characteristics of the polycrystalline solar panel and why you should choose the polycrystalline or this monocrystalline solar panel as your best choice. And we also know that the crystal structure may be made up of a thin film crystal that is thin enough to be flexible. And when we have such a solar panel, we have the thin film or amorphous solar panel. Based on these three categories of the manufacturing process of the solar panel, we have the different types of solar panels available in the market. The first type of solar panel we have is the monocrystalline or the single crystal structure that is made up of single crystal. And we have other solar panels that are still monocrystalline, but their efficiency is far more better than that of the main monocrystalline solar panel. And one of it is the passivated emitter and rear solar panel. Its efficiency is better than that of the conventional monocrystalline solar panel. And we have the CVP solar panel, that is the concentrated PV cells. We will take a look at the characteristics and why you should choose each of these solar panels for your project. And we also have the polycrystalline or the multi-crystal solar panels. And after the polycrystalline solar panels, we have the amorphous or the thin film solar panels. We are going to take a closer look at each of these solar panels and what should inform you of choosing each of the solar panel type during a particular solar system project. It is your understanding of the characteristics of each of these solar panel type that will inform you of how to make your choice during your solar projects. Thank you.